head down, shuffle my feet. You'll never get the best of me. Your sticks and your stones.
Hey guys, it's Kyle from Never Drink Ordinary, and we're continuing with our winter-themed cocktails, and I'm going to be showing you how we do our version of a flip that we call our smoked winter flip. Now, a flip traditionally is spirit, sugar, and a whole egg, making a wonderfully decadent and velvety after dinner cocktail. So with ours, we're actually going to smoke ours. So I'm going to get my glass and we're going to smoke, and I'm just going to use traditional oak wood. So I'm just using my smoking board, and then when that catches the flame, I just take my chosen glass and I'm going to leave that there to capture some smoke. Now with a flip, having the egg in the flip, the smoke really works well. And what also works well with a flip and being egg is an aged spirit. So that smoke and using aged spirits is a really good base to build this cocktail. Now, to add that sort of winter flavoring to it, I'm going to be using an aged infused pineapple rum. I'm going to be using a bit of amaro from Italy, doing a amaro Nonino, which is very citrus forward, has vanilla, it's a grappa based one. And that's going to add a bit of seasoning and bitterness to balance the cocktail and the richness. And then I'm also going to be using a sherry, and it's a sweetened version of an Oloroso sherry. It's the East India sherry. And that too is just going to add candied raisins, some sort of nutty flavors. Again, perfect winter pineapple, nutty, orangey flavors for this cocktail. Now let me show you how it's done. I'm going to take our cocktail shaker, and because it's an egg-based cocktail, we're going to be giving it a dry shake first. But let's just get our ingredients in there. So we have our egg, one whole egg. We want that yolk in there. That really adds to that texture and that decadence. Our sugar component is we're going to be using maple syrup. And we're just going to be doing a fat 1/4 ounce. And that simply means just a little bit over a 1/4 ounce. So that's the fat 1/4 ounce. Now some cream. So we're just adding a 1/2 ounce of double cream or whipping cream. So this almost makes the flip a bit like a nog now. So like an eggnog, we've got cream and egg. We're doing something similar with this flip variation. Now I'm just going to be taking my sherry, and I'm going to be doing 0.75 of an ounce. My amaro, we're going to be doing 0.5 of an ounce. And again, this just adds a bit of balance, the bitterness in an amaro, just adds some seasoning quality to it. And then our aged spirit, we're going to be doing 1 ounce and 1/4. This is pineapple infused rum. Absolutely love this stuff. Okay, so now I have everything in the cocktail. What I want to do now is just do the dry shake. Put the shaker on top, and we're just going to give it a shake. And we're just trying to break up that egg and to start emulsifying the ingredients together. And now the cocktail is served chilled, so now I'm going to add ice to the small shaker. So I'm going to add my ice. And now we're going to give it a really good shake. We're just adding a little bit of dilution and chilling the cocktail down. So I'm just going to shake this hard for about 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, now that is nice and cold. I can see it's wonderfully frothy with the egg in there and the cream. I'm going to take my smoked glass, and we're going to double strain this, and we're serving it up. So I'm just straining it through the fine strainer. Now to finish with the flip, generally some beautiful grated fresh nutmeg. So I've just got my whole nutmeg, my zester, and we're just gonna grate a good amount of nutmeg on top. And again, nutmeg is used a lot at this time of year. So fragrant and really adds to the experience when we're trying this cocktail. So there it is. As you can see, beautiful color. It looks rich, decadent. And tastes amazing. Cheers, guys.
Put my head down, shuffle my feet. You'll never get the best of me. Your sticks and your stones.